Fatala fatu pa ia man malu latu ulo mai mo mai no lata fia TV5. Lene so poponga lo show ole. Po Po Mano'o on your happy channel TV5. Le whangalo ina whai lata ulo mai mo mai lunga o penga te whailangi. Ala mai lunga Facebook Live up there for YouTube. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another edition of the only in-house trivia game show in Samoa, brought to you by your happy channel TV5. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce to you your two teams for today. Team WDK and Team Woodstock. Without further ado, it's time to play Po Po Mano'o. To my right, I have Team Woodstock, and to my left, I have Team WDK. You know the rules. We're gonna jump straight into our team toss-up round. Team toss-up, Woodstock and Team WDK. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Ready.
All right, ready you shall be. Your first question: what is the name of the small island behind Nutele in Alibata? Woodstock. Samoa is incorrect, unfortunately. Okay, to steal from WDK for 5 points. Indecisive. He doesn't have to press. It's okay. Musafe is also incorrect. The correct answer, both teams, is Nu'uala. The answer is Nu'uala. If you didn't know, well, now you know. Your question number 2. By official rules, what spot on a dartboard has the highest value? What spot? What stop?
10.
10 of that.
Black.
Sorry, you were wrong at 10. I'm gonna have to pass it to Team WDK to steal for 5 points.
It's the red dot and
The bullseye is also incorrect. That is the second highest. The highest is the triple 20s. The bullseye is actually 50 points. If you hit the bullseye, that is 50 points. Triple 20s is triple 20, which is 60 points. Your third question. In the last 8 games between the All Blacks and Ireland, how many have Ireland won? WDK.
2.
Oh, that's incorrect. That's the recent games, but we're counting the whole 8 before. Okay, Team Woodstock to steal for 5 points. In the last 8 games between the All Blacks and Ireland, how many have Ireland won? 8 games. So they won all 8? I'm sorry, that was incorrect. It's a 5. Ireland has won the last 5 of 8 games they played with the All Blacks. That is another fun fact for everyone at home and for our contestants here. Your next question, number 4. After Facebook, what is the most used social media site? Woodstock.
Instagram.
Sorry, that is incorrect again. WDK for the steal.
Twitter.
Also incorrect. Actually, Twitter doesn't have. It's up there, but it's not one of the strongest social media platforms. The correct answer is YouTube. YouTube is the second biggest social media platform out there, ladies and gentlemen. We are standing 0-0. Our next question. Can we get some points on the board? What is the imaginary line called? What is the imaginary line called that connects the North and South Pole? What's the surprise? The equator is incorrect. So equator goes this way, but the line we're talking about goes this way. It's North and South Pole. To steal for 5 points, you have nothing to lose. Bobby, very indecisive look. Hit me with your best shot. Huh?
Longitude.
Sorry, that is incorrect, Bobby. The correct answer is the prime meridian. Prime meridian is the line that connects the North and South Pole of the Earth. Okay, we're still standing at 0-0. 2 big brown eggs. We're gonna go into our next question. Our next question is actually sponsored by one of our major sponsors, Po Po Mano'o, Digicel. Digicel is giving away 20 tawa free credit to whoever answers this next question. Question number 6. In what year was the Tripartite Convention signed that divided Samoa into East and West? In what year was the Tripartite Convention signed that divided Samoa into East and West? Come on, teams, you have nothing to lose. Or maybe you do. I don't know. Time's up. The opportunity to press in to answer for 10 points is not there anymore. The answer is 1899. 1899 was when the Tripartite Convention signed that divided Samoa into East and West. Your next question, both teams, is what is a group of frogs called? What is a group of frogs called? You got a school of fish. Woodstock.
An army of frogs.
An army of frogs is correct. Our first points for Po Po Mano'o by way of Woodstock. 10 points. Oh yes, and your voucher. All right, voucher has been carried on to the next question. Thank you very much. Your next question, both teams. During the time of Moses, a goat that was let loose into the wilderness to carry away sin was known as what? During the time of Moses, a goat that was let loose into the wilderness to carry away sin was known as what? Woodstock.
Sacrifice.
Sorry. I'm very sorry. That is incorrect. Our opposing team to steal for 5 points. Sir Wesley, Bobby, and Nigel. You have the opportunity to steal, and the opportunity is not there anymore. Oh, the correct answer is a scapegoat. A scapegoat is the answer. We've got 2 questions left. Your next question. In the movie Finding Nemo, what kind of fish is Nemo? WDK.
Clownfish.
Nigel, you're the man. 10 points for your team. We're standing at a standstill of 10-10 to both teams. Our last and concluding question for Team Toss-Up. On what island is Tonga's capital, Nuku'alofa, located? On what island is Tonga's capital, Nuku'alofa, located? Many islands. Is incorrect. To steal again. Team WDK. Yes, Bobby, you got that. 5 points for your team. Let's go. All right, what a way to finish off Team Toss-Up. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be right back with individual toss-up, where teams choose their partners and come back on a battle 1v1. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna jump straight into our individual toss-up. From Team Woodstock, we have Tone, and from Team WDK, we have Wesley. Our 2 men from both sides. Your question is, how many colors are on the Tuvalu flag? How many colors are on the Tuvalu flag? The buzzer is yours. Press for the reward of 10 points. How many colors are on the Tuvalu flag? It's a lot less than 10. Okay, Woodstock, Team Woodstock. 3 is incorrect. Oh, however, Team Wesley for the steal. Wait, Sir Wesley for the steal of 5 points.
Is it 4?
4, you're almost there, but you're 1 off. The answer is 5. There are 5 colors in the Tuvalu flag. Thank you, gentlemen. Your question is, in Spider-Man No Way Home, what school are Peter Parker and his friends trying to get into? In Spider-Man No Way Home, what school are Peter Parker and his friends trying to get into? They all applied. They all didn't get in. That's all the information I can give out. Couldn't get in because they were all affiliated with a criminal in the world of the MCU. However, none of our members have pressed the button, so the answer is MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Thank you very much, Nigel. Thank you very much, Loy, Cyprian, and Bobby. Your question is, which Greek letter symbol is shaped like a horseshoe? Which Greek letter symbol is shaped like a horseshoe? Like that. The Greek letter symbol that is shaped like a horseshoe. I'll give you a hint. It's actually one of the world-renowned watch brands. It's one of the world-renowned watch brands. Sorry, Cyprian, that is incorrect. Bobby, the steal.
Alpha?
Oh, You got it, brother. No, it's Omega. Omega is the answer. Thank you very much, our contestants, for attempting that question. The answer is Omega. Cyprian and Wesley, your last question. To earn 10 points for your two teams, what computer programming language is also the name of an island in Indonesia? What computer programming language is also the name of an island in Indonesia? C++. Anyone? Programming language shares the same name of an island in Indonesia. Oh, I am so sorry. Jan, that is incorrect. Okay, Sir Wesley for the steal, 5 points for your team. Time is up for both of our contestants. Java is the programming language and also the name of an island in Indonesia. But don't go anywhere, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be right back on your next round of Po Po Mano'o. We're back to our next round of Po Po Mano'o, which is Nga Nga. That's how you know how to play it. One team hides the coin within their hands and the other team guesses. The least amount of guesses wins 20 points for their team. The game is solely based on luck and skill of how you hide and you deceive the opposing team. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get playing Nga Nga. Also, to add on, the winning team will be awarded with an hour massage to Our Spa. Our Spa, a great place to take your lovely missus or a loved one who is in need of a heavenly touch or a massage. Alright, Team Woodstock, would you mind hiding our object first while I come and entertain Team WDK? First time, or? You guys ready?
Take it, man.
Alright. When you're ready, Team Woodstock, your hands in the air, you just don't care. Alright, there are the hands. Team WDK, you can relay to me your guesses. You are free to make eye contact and to startle your opposing team.
He looks suspicious.
One chance, bro.
We only have so much time here, guys. You guys can...
Mason's right hand.
Mason's right hand. Mason, would you mind your right hand, please? Is incorrect. That is one guess for your team. Gone. Your next guess, Nigel, Bobby, Wesley, anyone.
Wait. Johnny. Johnny left hand.
Johnny, your left hand. Oh, Bobby with the clutch. 2 guesses. How about that? How about that, ladies and gentlemen? That's hard to beat. Okay, Team WDK, you'll have to hide, and Team Woodstock will have to get. Team Woodstock, you guys both understand the rules. If you, to win this, you guys have to guess it within the 1 guess, or you can tie for 2 guesses. And then going at it. On the line, 1 hour massage at Ava Spa, ladies and gentlemen. You don't want to miss out. The lady there has got some real nice hands, can do some real nice things for you. Okay, hands in the air. Team WDK, Team Woodstock, enlighten us, your guesses. Stare them down, give them your meanest poker face. Yes, Cyprian. Cyprian, yes, Cyprian.
Nigel's right.
Nigel, your right hand, would you please reveal for us? Your right hand.
Yeah, man.
Oi, Nigel, sorry. Nigel. Alright, now to tie. To tie for these 20 points. 20 points makes the biggest difference in Po Po Mano'o. Don't be deceived.
You ready?
Nigel's left hand.
Nigel, they're singling you out. Your left hand, Nigel, please. It's alright! Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. Okay, cause we...
Oh, wow. That's what it is.
Cause it's actually in Bobby's right hand. Bobby's right hand. Oh, Bobby, how could you? Bobby with the clutch. That is for you. And, alright, thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, that is not allowed. We'll be right back on your next round. Window shopping. Don't go anywhere. Po Po Mano'o. We're gonna move into one of my favorite rounds, window shopping. Window shopping. Both teams are showing an item. They are to guess how much the item costs. The closest guess without going over is awarded with the points. However, if both teams go over, the closest guess to the actual price is the winner. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go window shopping. Your first item, both teams. Item number 1, I-Scale electronic weigh scale from BSL. An I-Scale electronic weigh scale from BSL. Yes, that scale. That wonderful scale. The timer will go around and then you guys will show your board. You've got time to negotiate with your team members to come up with a final answer. Okay. Your board, please. Team Woodstock with $50 Tala and Team WDK with 67 Tala. The answer is 65 Tala. Points going by way of Team Woodstock. How unfortunate, $2 makes the biggest difference in this game. Your next item, both teams, is a Vailima pullover hoodie from Vailima. It's in their merchandise line. A Vailima pull-up hoodie from Vailima. How much do you reckon this costs? You only have so much time to negotiate and to come up with a final answer. When the bell rings, all pens down and boards up and flipped over to the other side so I can see what you wrote on the other side of the board, because that's what I want to know. Alright, that is time. Mark us down. Flip your boards, please. Bobby with the 60 Tala and Swan with the 150 Tala. The answer is 69.90 cents. 69 Tala 90 cents. Bobby, 10 points for your team. Right on the mark. Alright. Your third item, both teams. A Samsung Galaxy A02 from Digicel. A02 Samsung Galaxy from Digicel. Digicel, the fastest mobile network in Samoa currently. Also promoting their new promotion, the Freedom to Be promotion. As you can see what I'm wearing today, it's one of their merchandise. It's their sports apparel that they've recently released. You can get your hands on it on where you find it. But that is time. Time to flip your boards and let's see what you got. Bobby with $400 and Team Woodstock with $550. The answer is $399. Wow, what a guess, Bobby. 10 points by your team. Your fourth item is a Bosch hand mixer from BSL. A Bosch hand mixer from BSL. It's the electric ones, the ones that vibrate when you plug it in. A Bosch hand mixer from BSL. A lot of great stock in BSL, don't miss out. Alright, and that is time, please. Both teams, flip your boards for our team to watch. Team WDK with 70 Tala, Team Woodstock with 40 Tala. The answer is 79 Tala. 20 points by way of WDK. 10 points. Oh wow, WDK, your team is on fire. But our next item is a box of 330 mils of Coke from Vailima. That box contains 330 milliliters cans of Coke from Vailima. A case of 24 cans of Coca-Cola from Vailima. Lima, one of the major sponsors for Po Po Mano'o. Enjoy the happiness. You can smell it, you can feel it, you can taste it. But that is the time. Time to show me your boards. Both teams, Team Woodstock with 50 Tala and Team WDK with 45 Tala. The answer is 46 Tala, 37 points by way of Team WDK. Wow. What a window shopper. Bobby, you window shopper. Alright, item number 6 is our last item, which is a Samsung Galaxy A21s from Digicel. A Samsung Galaxy A21s from Digicel. As you can see, this is the phone. We are guessing how much it costs. Phones have actually gone a lot better since say 10 years ago. 10 years ago, this would have probably costed like probably $2,000 with its specs as of currently. But that is time. Time to reveal. Time to redeem yourself. Team Woodstock and Team WDK. $2,500. Wow. And Team WDK with 551 Tala. The answer is 799 Tala. That is the answer and the concluding 10 points for WDK. Wow, what a window shopper. Alright, that is it for our window shopping round from Po Po Mano'o. Don't go anywhere, we're back with bad translations. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is another round for Po Po Mano'o. We're now into round 4, bad translation. Bad translation. Both teams, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Before we jump into our round, we're going to give you a quick point update. Team Woodstock with 40 points and Team WDK with 105 points. Don't feel downhearted. We have 3 games to go and a lot of space to catch up. Both teams, your first bad translation. Chris Hemsworth, aka Thor, has a new movie out called Ulu Aponga Leve Leve. Ulu Aponga Leve Leve. Yes, WDK.
It's called Spiderhead.
Spiderhead is correct. 10 points to your team. Your next bad translation. In 2010, Eminem and Rihanna told us they alofa ileala e te pepeloai. Yes, Woodstock. Right on. The money, 10 points to your team. Your third bad translation. To encourage someone to be more careful, you could say the grasshopper flies about while the kingfisher watches. WDK. That is correct, but can you repeat that one more time, please? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 10 points to your team. Bad translation number 4. The band Lanumu Ena Ena to Olima has hits like Payphone and moves like Jagger. Yes, WDK.
Maroon.
Pardon?
Maroon 5.
Yes, that is correct. 10 points again by your team, Team WDK. Your next question. Leonardo DiCaprio plays a con artist in the 2002 film Pu'emaya'u Da'emafai. Oh, what a break.
Catch me if you can.
Catch me if you can is correct. Again, 10 points to your team. Very dominant in this round. Your last bad translation for both teams. In 2002, Timberlake was telling his girlfriend to tangi mai se vai tafu. Oh, how unfortunate. Yes.
Cry me a river.
Cry Me a River is correct again. What? Get out of here. 10 points to your team, WDK. That's it for bad translations, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be right back with another round of Po Po Mano'o. Hello everyone, it is me again, Lotelita Mati, your host for Po Po Mano'o Season 2, and we're here with our team Woodstock for their attempt at charade. And Team Woodstock, your first actor/actress is Loy.
Yes.
Loy. Lovely Loy. Loy, your word. Loy, your word is in English and it is a verb, right? Your word is in English and it is a verb. Loy, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
One word.
You have 20 seconds.
Ruler. Long. Thin. Blind.
How long?
Skinny. Measuring tape. Measuring tape.
you almost got it.
Tape measuring.
Tape measure.
Measuring.
Yes, oh, measure, yes, Ro, you guy, what a guy. All right, thank you, Ro. Bobby, your word. How'd you like that? You like that? Oh yeah, okay. Bobby's word is in English and it is an activity. English, and it is an activity. All right, Bobby, your time starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, Bobby. Yes.
Cheering.
Almost there. You're almost there.
Cheerleading.
Yes, that is correct. Right on, Bobby. Row, big man. Okay, Row, your word. Does that fit? Okay. Row's word is in Samoa and it is a nauna. It is in Samoan and it is a nauna. Row, your time to act starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, row. Okay.
Lakapi. Polo lakapi. Sama lakapi.
Oh,
Man Samoa.
we're there.
Sama Samoa. Pasili polo. Polo. Pas.
You're in the country, but in the wrong village.
Man Samoa. Sina.
Oh, how frustrating was that? Oh, gosh. Okay, Ro, can you please announce your word for our viewers at home?
Word is talk.
The word is talk. How unfortunate, how truly unfortunate. Thank you, Team Woodstock. Team Ligue. Nigel, I'm telling you, Nigel, your word for charades. My friend Nigel, your word is Samoan and it is a nauna. It's Samoan and it is a nauna. Nigel, you have 5, 4, 3, 2, Nigel.
Asino. Ao. Sami.
All right.
Up.
Come on.
Tahuka. Lama. Lien.
Oh no.
Oh, Takolau.
Oh, what a guy, Bobby! Come on. How about that? You don't get any better than this. Wow. My favorite for today, Cyprian. Sip's word is in Samoan and it is a mea faitanga. Samoan and it is a mea faitanga. Sip, your time starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, sip. Oh, right on it. Yes, sir. That is it. I've seen a lot of charades in my day, and that was one of the fastest. Good on you, Sip. 10 points to your team. All right. Well done, team. What's up? You got the almighty Wesley from Team WDK. Wesley, your word. Wesley's word is Samoan and is a mea faitanga as well. Samoan and is a mea faitanga. How Wesley handles it is up to him. All right, Wesley, your time starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
One word.
No. Oh.
Fuck. Oh my gosh.
We're doing something.
Chopping the polo.
Come on. Just fire out. You have 20 seconds, team. You have... Oh no.
Oh, husking the coconut.
Oh no. Oh, how unfortunate. Oh, Wesley, can you please announce your word for our viewers at home?
Fishy this.
Fisty, yes, he is Wesley's word. Hey, I got it. I saw that coming. You'll have it fun. All right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That is charades. I'll be right back with our next challenge on Po Po Mano'o. Round number 5, which is spelling bee. Spelling bee is played exactly how it is played. I will give you a word. You have to press the buzzer and spell it correctly. The correct spelling is awarded with 10 points. However, if you answer incorrectly, the opposing team will have the chance to steal and spell for 5 points. Your first word for spelling bee is a Samoan word, Vaitaeli. What's that?
V-I-E-T.
Oh, you missed a little guy in there. There was a guy you missed. There's a character you missed there, so that is unfortunately incorrect. To steal for Team WDK.
B-R-E
Yes.
T for Mafa'a
Yep.
Kumaliu Lai.
Yes, that is the little guy you guys were missing. Thank you very much. 5 points for Team WDK. Your next spelling bee. The word is in English. It is restaurant. Yes, Team Woodstock.
RASTAURANT.
Yes, sir. That is 10 points for your team. I mean, we've already gone through the word, but Usa Resto is the best restaurant in town. Another sponsor for Po Po Mano'o this year. Thank you very much. Your next word for spelling bee. Bala'aulia. Team Woodstock. No hesitation.
V-A-C.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
Kumaliwa.
Yes.
I-A.
Oh, we missed a lot of things there. Oh, I'm sorry, Sip. That is incorrect. But we're gonna have to steal from Team WDK. It happens to the best of us, Team.
A-La-A
Yes, yes. Yala.
A-U-La-I-A.
That is also incorrect. We missed a lot of things there. The word is Bala'aulia. Bala'aulia is spelled V-A-La-A, Komaliu-A, U-La-I-A. That is Bala'aulia. Bala'aulia. Ele imawa mai setusi Bala'aulia. Yeah, your next word for spelling bee is in English, and the word is chocolate. Team WDK.
Chocolate. C-H-O.
Yes.
C
Yes.
A-L-A-T-E.
Oh, there's someone there that wasn't supposed to be there. Thank you very much, Bobby, for the attempt, but to steal Team W.
CHOCOLATE.
Yes, that is correct. Bobby, you said A where there should be an O, but no harm done there. Your next word for spelling bee is in Samoan, and the word is tulafoi. Team Woodstock.
T-U. Kumaliu. La-A. Ka-O. Kumaliu-A-I.
You had everything right, but there was something you missed, and I think Lloyd picked up on that too. All right, to steal from Team WDK, tulafoi.
T-U Kumaliu La-A Pa-O A Kumaliu.
That is also incorrect. Tulafoi is T-U Komaliu La Famafa'a Fa'o A Komaliu. So both teams missed the Fa'mafa'a, and both teams are labeled as incorrect. So no points goes either way. And your concluding word for the spelling bee round is in English, and the word is centipede. Team WDK.
Centipede. C-E-N-T-I-P-E-D-E.
Yes, Bobby, yes, yo! You got 10 points for your team. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. That is Spelling Bee. We'll be right back on our concluding round, lightning round. And we'll be right back on Po Po Mano'o. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to move on to our concluding round for today's episode of Po Po Mano'o, which is lightning round. Lightning round, I'm going to barrage questions to Team WDK, and the lovely Bobby will be the spokesperson for lightning round. Bobby, Team WDK, are you guys ready? Nigel Wilson. All right. I don't see any reason why we should delay this. The lightning round attempt, Team WDK, will start now. Question number 1: true or false? New Zealand and South Africa are tied for the most Rugby World Cup trophies.
True.
True.
How many eyes does a honeybee have?
8.
8.
Do cashew nuts grow on a tree or in the ground?
Pass.
What is hotter, the sun or lightning?
The sun.
True or false? Your blood is as salty as the ocean.
True.
Which village is further west, Tanga or Matawai?
Tongue.
From what part of Adam's body did God create Eve?
His rib.
True or false? Polar bears live in Antarctica.
False.
What is the capital of Tuvalu?
Pass.
Yes.
True or false? Dihydrogen monoxide is a banned substance under Samoa's Narcotics Act.
False.
Who sings the 2019 pop song Thank You Next?
Pass.
Ariana Grande.
True or false? Kangaroos cannot walk or hop backward.
Pass.
Scurvy is caused by a lack of what vitamin?
Vitamin D.
Yes, thank you very much, Team WDK, for your attempt at lightning round. I'm here with Team Woodstock with their attempt at lightning round. I have Ro, Loy, and Sip. My friend Sip, alright, their attempt at lightning round. 60 seconds to answer as many questions as they can. 10 points per question correct and 0 points per question incorrect. To not delay any time, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Alright, here's your attempt at lightning round. Okay, Po Po Mano'o round 6, lightning round. Question number 1. True or false, New Zealand and South Africa are tied for the most Rugby World trophies?
False.
How many eyes does a honeybee have? Do cashew nuts grow on a tree or in the ground?
Tree.
What is hotter, the sun or lightning?
Sun.
True or false, your blood is as salty as the ocean?
False.
False.
Which village is further west, Tanga or Hataiwai?
Hataiwai.
From what part of Adam's body did God create Eve?
Rib.
True or false, polar bears live in Antarctica?
True.
What is the capital of Tuvalu?
Funafati.
True or false, dihydrogen monoxide is a banned substance under Samoa's Narcotics Act?
True.
Who sings the 2019 pop song Thank You Next?
Ariana Grande.
True or false, kangaroos cannot walk or hop backwards?
False.
False.
Scurvy is caused by a lack of what vitamin?
True.
Pass.
What do you call an animal that eats only meat?
Carnivore.
Animal.
True or false, Queen Elizabeth II is the longest reigning monarch ever in Europe?
True.
Which film series stars Jack Sparrow?
Pirates of the Caribbean.
Yes, thank you, Ro, thank you, Lloyd, and thank you, Sip, for your attempt at lightning round. We'll be right back where we'll give you the total score for both teams throughout today's episode. And yes, we'll be right back, ladies and gentlemen, on Po Po Mano'o. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is our final get together with both of our teams, and we're going to announce the score for our lightning round attempts for both teams. Alright, for lightning round, question number 1. True or false, New Zealand and South Africa are tied for the most Rugby World Cup trophies? WDK said true, Woodstock said false. The answer is true. How many eyes does a honeybee have? WDK said 8, Woodstock said 2. The answer is 5. Do cashew nuts grow on a tree or in the ground? WDK said pass, Woodstock said tree. The answer is tree. What is hotter, the sun or lightning? WDK said sun, Woodstock said sun, but the answer is lightning. True or false, your blood is as salty as the ocean? WDK said true, Woodstock said false. The answer is true. Which village is further west, Tanga or Hataiwai? WDK said Tanga, Woodstock said Hataiwai. The answer is Tanga. From what part of Adam's body did God create Eve? Both answered correctly, which is rib. True or false, polar bears live in Antarctica? WDK said false, Woodstock said true. The answer is false. What is the capital of Tuvalu? WDK passed, Woodstock said Funafati, but the answer is Funafuti. A and U are two different letters, and that makes the biggest difference. True or false, dihydrogen monoxide is a banned substance under Samoa's Narcotics Act? WDK said false, Woodstock said true. The answer is false. It is water. Dihydrogen monoxide is water. Who sings the 2019 pop song Thank You Next? Both answered Ariana Grande, and Ariana Grande is the singer. True or false, kangaroos cannot walk or hop backwards? WDK passed, Woodstock said false. The answer is true. Scurvy is caused by a lack of what vitamin? WDK said vitamin B, Woodstock said pass. The answer is vitamin C. For team WDK, this is where their attempt was stopped at, their 60-second time. However, Woodstock answered a few more questions after. Next question. What do you call an animal that eats only meat? Woodstock said carnivore. The answer is carnivore. True or false, Queen Elizabeth II is the longest reigning monarch ever in Europe? Woodstock said false. Woodstock said true, but the answer is false. It's Louis XIV. And the last question, which film series stars Jack Sparrow? Woodstock said Pirates of the Caribbean, and that is the correct answer. Our total answer for today's episode of Po Po Mano'o. Team Woodstock with 115 points. and Team WDK with the overwhelming 240 points. Winner of today's Po Po Mano'o, Team WDK, which will progress later into the will progress further into other rounds of Po Po Mano'o. But don't be downhearted, Team Woodstock. There's still a chance for you guys to come back again in the next rounds of Po Po Mano'o. The top 4 teams that have lost before will progress into the further rounds. You guys are in scope for this chance. So yeah, thank you very much, Team Woodstock and Team WDK. We'll see you again on Po Po Mano'o. Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
Hi there, ladies and gentlemen, this is Lewa Teletamati and you are watching TV5's YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to never miss out on any amazing and fun content here on TV5. Other than that, you can click on this left box here to watch more episodes of Po Po Mano'o, or down here to take you straight to our YouTube channel to check out more content. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching.